Ultrafine grinding mill, choose CLIRIK. Welcome to HGM grinding mill manufacturing base. This machine can grind many kinds of mineral oil to be 200 mesh to 3000 mesh powder. Comparing with bar mill and jet mill, our HGM grinding mills has a lower power consumption and a wider range of output fineness. We can resolve customer concern by a grinding test. Regarding the welding parts, alloy steel for soft material grinding, bearing steel for hard material grinding. From raw steel to casting, from matched equipment to our control cabinets, we all select the top quality brand suppliers. Also, more than 50% of our factory employees has worked here for over 10 years. This ensures the stability of quality. So far, HGM grinding mills are widely used in more than 120 countries, and we will not stop improving them.